My name is Alexis Waple and I started with Allen Edwin Homes in 2021. What attracted me most about joining Allen Edwin Homes was my passion for homes. I truly love all things home, as well as I could see that this team was constantly provided with opportunity for growth, opportunity for financial reasons, and opportunity all the way around that they're constantly taking care of their employees. What separates Allen Edwin Homes versus other builders is the process. They're very process-oriented, which is such a good thing. High communication, a very strong culture. When I was looking for another opportunity in the workforce, the biggest thing I was looking for is culture. The environment, the team leaders, the supportiveness, everything all around is everything that I could ever wanted and more. I love new construction. There's nothing like the smell of new construction. Being able to get a first-time home buyer in something brand new where nobody else has lived in, having brand new, all mechanical systems, brand new roof, those big ticketed items for the same price as the used market, there's no feeling like being able to get one of your buyers into new construction. The biggest thing that surprised me about new home sales at Allen Edwin was the amount of leads that were given to you. Yes, you have to build relationships with realtors and look outside the box, but they provide so much opportunity, set your appointments up for you, that's constantly giving you opportunity to grow your business, as well as constantly giving you the support and materials, resources needed in order to grow your business. The training at Allen Edwin Homes is like no other. I feel like I've been trained for life, and no matter what I do, but the core training really stood out to me. I was in Grand Rapids for 6 weeks being trained by the Vice President of Sales. Honestly, I could not have asked for a better training. The amount of support that I get as a sales counselor is as much as I needed. I'm constantly given the materials, the resources, as well as we do a lot of cross-training between the different departments, so I'm always able to reach out for a helping hand from any department at any time. I would say the most challenging part about this job is the learning curve. There's a lot to learn. I serve over 35 communities. We have over 40 different floor plans. So just learning all the different communities, all the different floor plans, and all the different things that Allen Edwin has to offer, you'll always be learning though. So that's something that I can always appreciate. The compensation at Allen Edwin is truly unmatched. The opportunities they give you to always be increasing your compensation is incredible. I really find myself enjoying my job as well as reaping all the rewards, and that's the money. The culture at Allen Edwin Homes is something that I really admire. It was one of the most important parts to me when looking for a new job. The leadership is incredible. I couldn't ask for a better leadership team. The support, the environment, everybody is so supportive, but yet it's in a competitive environment. Everybody's competitive, but we're always cheering each other on. You can always count on another salesperson to give you support, talk you through things. It's truly the best culture I've ever been a part of. At Allen Edwin, we are very unique. What makes us most unique is our different solutions that we have. We're a solution-based builder, so we always have a solution to every buyer. Not every buyer is going to be the same, but it's so solution-based that we will find a way to get these buyers in brand new homes. Someone would want to pursue a career at Allen Edwin Homes because of the team as a whole. The teamwork, the communication, the constant leadership and support that you're given, but also the opportunity. At Allen Edwin Homes, you're constantly given opportunity to grow yourself, grow your business, as well as the compensation is always and definitely a nice bonus. What keeps me at Allen Edwin Homes is the endless amount of opportunity. They constantly are giving me opportunity to grow my business within Allen Edwin Homes, but then also grow myself as a professional. It's truly a dream job for me, and I know not a lot of people can say that about their job.